Tezos' way of brilliance was difficult by any stretch of the imagination. Be that as it may, in spite of all impediments, the cryptographic money was picking up speed quickly. How does Tezos work? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications, dApps, and executing shrewd agreements. Admittance to the program code is open, and every client can take part in the framework modernization. The multi-stage engineering of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks. The framework is partitioned into 3 modules. The network module, the transaction module, the consensus module. The code of the blockchain biological system is written in the OCaml programming language, which makes it conceivable to freely refresh every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur, a previous Morgan Stanley examiner, and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their undertaking, they held an extremely effective ICO, initial coin offering. In 2017, the couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the biggest ICO around then. In any case, because of inner issues, the execution of the venture was deferred. In this way, the coin never entered the trades at the delegated time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the venture organizers. In 2018, a beta variant of the task was delivered, yet it didn't figure out how to save what is happening. Beguiled financial backers raced to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, trying to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion scale. The engineers needed to make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until this point, Tezos is a cryptographic money that takes out key hindrances to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its highlights, coming up next are significant. Intelligent contract security. At the institutional level, shrewd agreements are written in the Michelson-situated programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Possibility of a drawn-out redesign. Tezos' occluded engineering and formal update instrument permit the organization to offer and execute new mechanical advancements flawlessly as they become accessible. Joined with the Tezos invoicing system, these viewpoints empower the convention to tackle the spreading issue without forfeiting the local area agreement. Open interest. Rather than excavators, the XTZ digital money is procured by cooks. The liquid proof of stake (LPOS) agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to take part in baking. This is the very thing that the Tezos network calls handling exchanges and producing new blocks. To prepare, you want to introduce a full hub on your PC and present an application on the authority site. Pastry specialists are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. Tezos Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Tezos will be $2.18. The greatest level that the XTZ cost can reach is $2.54. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2.27. August 2022. Tezos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the XTZ cost will be exchanged at $2.04 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $2.13. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.95 in August 2022. XTZ price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Tezos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $2.12. The least and pinnacle XTZ rates may be $2.05 and $2.23. October 2022. Tezos price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XTZ cost will be around $2.18. In October 2022, the Tezos cost might drop to at least $2.11. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2.31 in October 2022. XTZ price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Tezos costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the XTZ rate could arrive at a limit of $2.42 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $2.14. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Tezos is almost $2.23. December 2022. Tezos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Tezos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2.27. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the XTZ cost could vary somewhere in the range of $2.18 and $2.54. Tezos Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Tezos will be around $3.37. The greatest expected XTZ cost might be around $3.82. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3.46 in 2023. Tezos Price Prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $4.91 and $5.84, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $5.08. Tezos Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Tezos and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base XTZ cost could drop to $7.20, while its greatest can reach $8.70. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $7.45. Tezos Price Prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least XTZ costs are normal in 2026. $12.47 and $10.32. By and large, it will be exchanged at $10.62. Tezos Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Tezos. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical XTZ cost will be around $15.73. It could drop to at least $15.31, yet it actually could reach $18.13 all through 2020.